Crypto coin is digital money created and secured directly by a blockchain. Picture a shining token moving only inside the chain's world. Let's understand how this works. Welcome to Blockshape. I'm Elliot, here to make finance in blockchain terms clear. Think of how you use coins in daily life. You buy coffee, pay a bus fare, or tip a musician. Now imagine if those coins could never be faked, stolen, or printed endlessly. That flip is surprising because it means trust comes from code, not a central mint. So what makes a crypto coin special compared to all the money we already know? Imagine a futuristic kingdom where the ruler's coin is the only currency everyone trusts. Each coin shines with a glowing mark that proves it's real, and no counterfeiter can copy it. Traders, travelers, and citizens exchange these coins freely, knowing the mark guarantees fairness. In blockchain's world, that glowing mark is cryptography. Cryptography simply means using complex math to lock and unlock information, so it cannot be faked. The coin of the realm is generated by the network itself, and this seal of authenticity makes the whole system safe and reliable. A crypto coin is the original digital money that belongs to a blockchain. In the Bitcoin network, this coin is simply called Bitcoin, created when powerful computers solve mathematical puzzles, and each result is stored permanently on a shared public ledger. Unlike regular money, no bank prints it, and no government can secretly change its supply. The system, the Bitcoin network of computers, code, and people working together, checks every coin and every transfer before it is accepted. You can think of it as running an audit book where each coin's journey is written down forever, impossible to erase, duplicate, or fake. This is how the value and trust in a crypto coin stay strong. So, why does this matter to you? Because owning a crypto coin means holding value no one can silently change. You can send it across the world in minutes without needing permission from a bank. Artists can sell work and receive payment directly. Businesses can settle international contracts quickly. Even digital receipts, stored in coin transactions, become proof that can't be faked. The strength lies in transparency and independence from gatekeepers. Now you understand what crypto coin means. Here are the key terms to remember. Crypto coin, the native digital money created by a blockchain itself. Blockchain, the public record of all transactions kept by many computers. Cryptography, complex math that locks and unlocks information so it cannot be faked. Bitcoin network, computers, code, and people working together to run Bitcoin. And a ledger, a shared public record, like an audit book, where every coin's movement is stored forever. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, tap that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you want to keep learning about money, crypto, and how the future of finance works, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll know the moment a new episode drops. See you in the next one.